Hey guys, so today I bought a new lens. I have it right here. I have not even opened it up yet. So excited, so pumped. I'm gonna grab my scissors. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell by the title. I'm not sure what I'm gonna name this yet, but I ordered the Sigma 18 to 35 f1.8 lens for a Canon, and you guys, I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start opening this and talk at the same time. So basically why I ordered this lens is because I'm filming with the 50mm, the Canon 50mm f1.8. So it has the same aperture, right? But it's 50mm and it's on a crop sensor, my T6i. So it's more like 80mm. So it's so zoomed in and I have to push it like so far away from me. And I really hate that. And I only have like so much room. Like my tripod is literally up against my bed right now. And that's the furthest I can have it, away from me. So that's why I'm always kind of up close in my videos, is because I physically cannot push my camera further back. So I ordered this one because it's 18 to 35, so it's much closer and, more of a wide angle, and it's made for my crop sensor camera. I have had my eye on this lens for so long, but this lens, you guys, it ain't cheap. Are you ready for it? Like, it is $800, you guys. It's an investment. I've been saving for a very long time. Okay? Oh my goodness, here she is. This is really heavy. So yeah, there's the specs, there's the deets for you guys. Here she is. Just gonna open her up real quick. Ooh, she even comes with her own case. How nice. So in the bag it also has a lens hood on there. So I'm gonna unwrap this bad boy, put that on. You guys, she's beautiful. So I really actually don't need the lens hood. I'm not sure why I put that on, but super cool. It comes with its own case and it comes with a lens hood, which is nice. And it also, of course, has the rear cap and the lens cap. So here she is, you guys. She is freaking gorgeous. Like, she's got some weight to her too. It's the unboxing portion of this video, so the only thing left to do is just throw this bad boy onto the camera and get a little bit of test footage, see how it works. So like I said, I do have the Canon 50mm f1.8 lens on my camera right now. So I'm just going to take that off, put this bad boy on, and see how it looks. Okay guys, so here is the lens. So as you can see, it's much more wide angle, which I love, but I also do still have my camera pretty far back away from me, and if I wanted to, I could actually scoot it closer now. Oh, you guys. So please, like, really just, don't mind my ratchet ass mess around here, cause it's a little messy. This is all the way zoomed in at 35. I believe I do have it on 1.8 right now. So yeah, this is the lens all the way zoomed in. It is zoomed in at 35mm right now. And I'll just kind of show you a little bit of the settings. I have it as at 1/60th of a second, and I have it on f1.8. I only have it at 100 ISO. And yeah, basically just have face detection and tracking AF, and that's about it, you guys. So yeah, those are my settings right now with this camera. I'm gonna go ahead and move it a little bit closer, and then that way you guys can see a little bit more of how the blurry background will work. Okay guys, so I scooted the tripod and camera closer to me, so just for a reference, you guys are about 3 feet away from me right now. And my background really isn't that far away from me, but it still does blur out the background a little bit. Overall, I am super excited about this lens. I love that I can have a wider angle now, and that I can have it so close to me. Like, I can literally, like, touch my lens if I wanted to. So it's really, really great. It won't be so far away from me now, which is awesome. Although I still really, really, really do recommend the Nifty 50 lens from Canon. Like, it is just such a great lens, the 50mm. Plus, it's just so affordable, and it's a really great lens. I really do like it. It's just, the only downside is that it has to be so far away from you when you're filming. Definitely, if you don't want to drop $800 on this lens, I really, really recommend the 50mm one. It's so good, especially if you're wanting that blurry background. Definitely recommend that one. That's what's really, really cool about this one, though, is that it's a zoom lens. The 50mm is just a prime lens, so it has one focal length. You can't zoom in, zoom out, none of that. Like, it's just stuck at one length. However, this one, you can zoom in and out, which is just so, so nice. And why it costs so much money is that it stays at that f1.8 aperture when you're zooming in and out, which is not typical in a lens. Usually when you zoom in, when you zoom further into a subject, the lens actually closes and gets smaller. Now, this one with the f1.8 aperture, this lens is actually opening up really, really wide. And as you're zooming in and out, the lens opening is actually staying wide open. So really, if you're wondering why this lens is so much, that is why. Plus, it's really, really well made, good quality glass. So yeah, this is basically like an unboxing kind of first impressions of this lens. Yeah, overall so far, love this lens. I love that I'm able to get a wider angle, that I'm able to be much closer to my camera, and I'm not going to be so zoomed in and cropped in all the time, and I can just have a different look. And I just feel like this is going to be my go-to lens, and you know, I can just, like, I could do everything with this lens, I feel like. So super, super excited. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts on this lens, and yeah, give this video a like if you liked it, and subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.